Hello guys, my name is Dr. Huma Hassan and today I am asking a question. What do you think the most important skills you should know for clearing UPSC Civil Services Exam? I would say right thinking strategy. Because if you people have right thinking strategy, you would from the beginning focus on answer writing. Definitely after the second stage preliminary level where you people have to identify that what is the hidden, how the answer is hidden in those confusing statements. But that is only a gateway. Your selection is totally dependent on your answer writing skills. How to understand that answer writing skills? What is the most important part? I would say you need to know examiner's mind. What examiners is looking for in your answer? They are looking for conceptual clarity. For example, if the question is asking, explain the concept of cooperative federalism and its significance in the Indian context. So you need to explain the concept because the demand of the question is concept. Okay, so you need to explain the concept of cooperative federalism, that how cooperative federalism refers to a system in which center and states work together for the welfare of entire nation. Why it is signifying, like, you need to explain the significance. So you need to explain the significance because it is emphasizing on coordination. It is emphasizing that how separation of power between center and state can collaborate in bringing prosperity, in bringing development. And then you need to substantiate your answers with examples. So first of all, you need to understand examiner's mind. So you need to have a conceptual clarity, you need to have a balance and critical thinking, right? Then definitely you must give in your answers diverse perspectives. Your answers should be multidimensional. You should talk about political approach, you should talk about economy, social, history, right? And then you should be giving solution oriented approach. Then what I would say, presentation skills. Your answer should be coherent, your language should be good, your introduction should be catchy. You must write good content in body 1 and body 2, and then you must have thoughtful conclusion, right? Now I would also tell that you really have to give clear explanation, right? Engaging content. So introduction should be catchy, you must give balanced approach, your structure should be good. Now, what is structure? In structure, there should be a natural flow in your answer. For example, introduction should be connected to your body 1, body 2 or body 3 and the conclusion. It should like a story to an examiner, that you are giving complete information with facts and analytical approach. Now, let me just give you one example. A very important tip. If I am not wrong, UPSC in essay paper in 2023 asked this question. In essay, forest precedes civilization, deserts follow them. Now there is a hidden demand in this topic. So you may think that this topic is coming from geography, from the geography topic. But no, it is very much philosophical in nature. That you need to identify. Forest precedes civilization is showing humans' adaptive nature to exploit nature and turn into resources, right? So this is our achievement. This is human race achievement, that we are the only species who can turn nature into resources. That is our skill. That is something we all are proud of. Okay, so this is something we should appreciate it. But what is the problem in it? The next line is saying deserts follow them. It means it is denoting on destruction. So you may think, as I have said, that it is talking about deforestation, it is talking about the climate change and so on. But I would say that this statement is signifying the famous quote. You can just simply tell who has said this, that nature has enough for everyone's need, However, it cannot provide for everyone's greed. So when we have turned forests into civilizations, it came out of needs. But when we turned that forest into deserts, it happened because of greed. Now you can see that the magic of understanding the hidden meanings in the questions, that is what you have to deconstruct. That is what Jacques Derrida is always arguing. Read between the lines. You need to codify what is not been given to you easily. That is why we need to know and develop answer writing skills in correct manner. Thank you.